You have been, Mayank, laying a lot of emphasis as a company on wellness benefits. How do you explain that? What is a wellness benefit? How does it work for me? Do I have to opt for it, or does it come regularly with my policy that I buy? Can you explain that to our consumers?
Yeah, that's something which is personally very dear to my heart and to this organization that I'm part of. Typically, and I go back to when we were setting up, when we looked at the category, the category, as a category, we've been playing the role of health financier, even there in the case of secondary and tertiary healthcare expense, which means when you are in the hospital. Now, firstly, healthcare expense don't happen only in hospitals. Secondly, if I'm funding that as a category, then it's probably too late, because something has happened which has led to that event. Except in the case of an accident or maybe a very seasonal disease which can happen to anyone. But everything else, there's something which is happening in the life of consumers. Now, two things we are missing as a category if we follow the same model for the future. One, we are missing the opportunity to engage with consumers on an ongoing basis for something which is very dear to their heart, which is the whole notion of health, not for themselves but the entire family. So that, we can connect much more deeply with our consumers if we actually deal and engage with them on this whole issue of health. Health can of course means different to different consumers. Second is that if we are dealing only with the event funding, then are we missing an opportunity to reduce the possibility of an event? If not eliminate it or defer it, I clearly see yes. So just leading into your question, using this, therefore we have a clear philosophy that we will not like to play the role only of a pure play health financing company, but actually play at the intersection of health care, delivery and health financing. I'm not saying that we'll start delivering health care, but we will be creating more access to health care. And wellness is sometimes not a very well understood word. To me, it's all about driving better health behavior. Anything which provides better health outcome is wellness. It can include physically staying fit. It could include good right eating, nutritional health. It could include mental health. It could at some stage spiritual health, and so on and so forth. Anything. Different consumers do different things for that. For us, it's all about driving better health outcomes for our customers. That's wellness to us. How can we do that? First, by providing access to better healthcare facilities, and I include everything in that. What I said is including physical, nutritional, mental, gym, and so on and so forth. Nudging, empowering, providing more information to customers to use them. And third, if they use them and demonstrate better health behavior, reward them for that. Because I think it's important that you kind give them a sense of joy that yes, I've done something and I'm getting rewarded. Incentives do kind of motivate consumers, or people, as we know. So our products have these inbuilt. We provide a much larger access to the health ecosystem and health and wellness ecosystem, both physically and through our digital kind of capabilities on our app, for example. And then we provide various other benefits, like we provide up to 30% of premium back to consumers if they demonstrate better health behavior, if they are staying physically fit, if they have good health. If consumers still get into some chronic lifestyle conditions like diabetes and others, we provide them health coaching to kind of manage that better. And even in that condition, if they are able to manage their health better and stay physically fit, even to those consumers we pay up to 30% back. So the whole idea is that and I think it's something that category can play a large role in the scheme of things for this country, if we can somehow drive this, because every customer whom we are able to nudge in their journey of staying healthy, I think we have done a justice to the the business that we are in. And that's what is wellness to us, Vivek. And I think we have made great strides in that, and I take a lot of pride as part of this organization in something that I feel we are pioneering in the health insurance category.
On that very powerful note, always a pleasure talking to you,
my
Mayank. Thank
pleasure.
you very much, and
Thank
wish you all the very best in your journey to make India and Indians fitter and more healthy.
Thank you so much.